All right, boys, we're on to day third, maybe the third Cape video. No, it's like technically the third Cape video.
Oh, yeah.
We ended up at the Lion's Den last night, if you hadn't seen the other episode. Gonna line up, got to get the shot in front of the Lion's Den. If you didn't watch yesterday's episode, go back and watch it, man. We literally broke the trailer off the car. We've done a very, very sketchy repair and we have welded up the cast, but as you can see here, it's already started to crack. And so we have to get about 30 k's, I believe, to Cooktown. So hopefully we get to Cooktown and then we've got to try and find a new hitch. Whether I have to buy the entire assembly, like the whole, this whole area here, or if I can just buy that. Yeah, we definitely need to sort something out, but we did make it here. Fair trek with how sketchy this was. Again, watch yesterday's episode, guys. We're gonna get these Lion's Den shots and find out why Andrew's car smells like rubber.
Pretty sure I'm just burning my fan belts.
You're doing fan belt burnouts?
Yeah, my AC pulley's a little bit loose, but she'd be right. She'd be.
All right, we're going to get the shots and mosey on out to Cooktown. So roughly 30 k's of driving on asphalt, but we definitely need to get this fixed before we get on the PDR, because that would definitely not last the PDR. So fingers crossed someone in Cooktown can have the parts we need. That's all. Yeah, that's like, fingers crossed. All right, guys, we did make it into Cooktown. All good. Got fuel, aired up, and we have found a place that sells hitches. So we've gone for an upgraded hitch, 3.5 ton towing. And this is called a Mick hitch, so it swivels and twists and everything. Instead of being rubber mounted like that and having this dodgy setup, this literally just bolts straight on and goes straight to a regular tow hitch and will get us going. So be able to change that over, be safe as houses, and yeah, I should have swapped over to one of these hitches to begin with, I guess. That's what I'm hearing anyway, so we're gonna have it now though, so everything's gonna be good. We'll show you what we need to do. And face it down a little bit.
Alright, so we're changing the entire friggin' hitch. I think Luke's probably said. We went overkill, or Luke went overkill. So 2.5 to 3.
and again, boys, ideally need to find some grease for it, but we are looking much better than we were before. That's for damn sure. So need to hurry up and get out the way of the fruit shop because they're about to open. All right, a little bit of driving under our belts. What are we doing?
Going to play in the water.
Yeah, found a little water crossing on the road, so gonna pull up and have a dip because why not? All right, careful, boss. That'll be slippery.
Beautiful out here.
Wow.
Swimming.
All right.
Why can't we get the swimmers out? Oh yeah, because they're in the tank.
Yeah. Come on, bossy. We're at our next stop. Where?
Hahn River Roadhouse.
There's not a roadhouse here though.
It's a little one.
There's a little one?
Yeah, tiny.
So I've got some bread. We're going to go feed the local emu. We're finally getting into the areas that say crocodiles, beware, all of that sort of jazz. Wifey is getting set up for curry sausages.
Yeah,
Yeah?
the crocodile's down at the creek just there.
Okay.
There's two.
So there's a 4 metre croc and a 2.5 metre croc. So I said, you know, be very wary when you're down there. Beautiful campsite though, really nice. Wi-Fi as well, so I was able to get a video up for you guys tonight, which you would have no doubt watched already, like 2 videos ago, or a video ago. What else? Pumped the airbags up a little bit more in the back of the Raptor. Today was uneventful, not a huge drive, a lot of dirt. Yeah, I wasn't filming that, but a humongous branch fell out of a tree, just missed the back of Benny's car and landed directly in front of us. Luckily, Raptor and trailer all have really good brakes. We pulled up on a dime. You weren't that close, were you, Nick?
No, but I saw it drop. I thought Benny hit it.
Yeah, I thought it hit. That's what I thought. But I think it already fell and it nearly hit him.
Nearly kept him. It was about yay around.
Yeah. So it literally was right across the road. I actually had to stop and pull it off the road.
Yeah,
So yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go see the emu. So just teaching the kids about the ant hills and how sort of just liken them to giant air conditioning towers. Pardon?
Archie said let's go see the emu. We need to feed it. Wait, Daddy! Can I have a toast to feed?
Oh, look at all the duckies too.
Oh, do you want to go feed the duckies first?
No, you don't feed them bread.
Oh,
Bread's
okay.
bad for them.
Okay, we can't feed the duckies.
We need to see if we can find some seed or something.
There's other kids over there.
I got you. Here on little pieces.
He's cute. Maybe
It's a she.
good. That's very nice.
Too big for her.
Too big.
Jenny likes the smaller bits.
Yeah, just go too.
Only
Like that.
Might not come to us.
Okay.
I like their heads.
Some peacocks.
Oh, hey, he found my finger. Oh, yeah. We're not allowed to eat those as kids.
She's flattened out, hasn't really gone up too much. What do you think?
Where are we going?
Kangaroo.
We're going to go feed the wallabies.
Are we feeding the wallabies?
We are. How cool is this going to be?
It's gonna be so fun.
It is, isn't it? You got to be super quiet though.
And my name's London. London.
And Fiona. Sit down, Scar. Boss, sit down. Oh, Archie. How cool is that? How cool is that?
Cool.
Can you see that? Here we have a wild peacock. Maybe it might put its tail up if we're lucky. Oh, how beautiful is that colour though? You probably can't see it on film. It is absolutely stunning. No, okay, I'm scaring it. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Are you playing ball?
Yeah. He accidentally.
Send it, dude. Ah, big skid.